the mountainous area in Weining County of Guizhou Province has recently been producing an unusual sound for several days. Tens of thousands of people have visited the site to witness this mysterious phenomenon. Chinese state media confirmed the veracity of the video, adding that experts have explored the area but could not identify the origin of the sound. A villager told the Chinese language Epoch Times that the sound started on June 26. Many locals were scared and moved to other places for the time being. In the past several days, more than 10,000 people came to hear the sound each day. Some were even from the neighboring province, Yunnan. On July 2nd, a 4.5 magnitude earthquake occurred in a neighboring county, 30 miles away from Weining County. Locals ran onto the streets and students gathered at the playground to protect themselves. It remains unknown whether the earthquake is related to the strange sound from the mountain.